Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another DB2 function, which is nullif. So nullif function is mainly used to compare the two values, and if the value matched, in that case it will return the null, otherwise it will return the first argument as a output. Okay, to explain it a bit more, I will show you one example that I have already created. So here I will write work member PDM, and you can see there is one program function. So if I take option 2 here, so what I'm doing, I'm using here nullif function. So first of all, what we are doing, we are declaring one constant which is SQL state underscore valid with 5 times zeros, and then below to this what we are doing, we are declaring two variables. First one is result1, second one is result2, and both the variables are of type decimal. Okay, zone decimal 4. Then we are setting the commit equals to star none. Below to this, what we are doing here, what we are doing, like we are writing exec SQL, which is for executing SQL. Select age, comma, and after comma we are using this function. So this is the syntax how you can use this function, nullif age comma 40. So what it will do, it will compare the age one by one. It will compare the age with 40. If it match with 40, then as a result it will populate the value into result 2. So first value will be populated in result 1, and second value will be populated in result 2. So now I hope it is clear like why we are using comma here, because nullif will also return one value, and this data is coming from Sharmit1 slash table1 fetch first one row only. Okay, here we are just fetching for the first one row, not for the entire column. And then whenever we are executing this query, just after that we are verifying whether it is executed properly or not. So I'm checking if SQL state equals to SQL state underscore valid, then we are printing both the result1 and result2. Else we are printing the SQL state along with the error message query ended with an error, and then we are doing INLR on. So I hope the syntax is clear to all of you, because what we are doing here, like select age, which is my first column, then comma, and then I'm using this null function. So this null function take two arguments first, and it will compare both the arguments. If it match, it will return null, but if it does not match, then in that case it will return the same value which we got in age column. Clear? And this is how you can use this into with two host variable. So let's quickly compile this program and see the output. Calling this, so output we got is 35 and 35. So first 35 is for age, and second 35 is because it does not match, so it returns the same value. Okay, if it match, then it will return null. We will see in example. So let me show you the actual query that we are running here. So first of all, I will show you the normal table. Select star from Sharmit1 slash table1. So here you can see we have column 35, 28, 40, 45, 32 and 35. So if I use the same query here, so you can see I'm checking with selecting age, comma, null if age with 40. So wherever it finds age as 40, it will return result as null. Else it will return the normal value from Sharmit1 slash table1. So if I hit enter here, you can see for 35 it returns 35, 28, 28, but 40, for 40 it returns null. So this is the whole sole purpose of using this function, which is nullif. So let me show you the other values like 45, 45, 32, 32 and 35, 35. Okay, so I hope now it is clear to all of you like why we use nullif function. So nullif function is mainly used to compare the two values which we have passed in this function. If both the value matched, then in that case it will return null, otherwise it will return the same value which is in first argument. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.